beautiful color, guys. It's gorgeous. I love this color. Again, with the trim, as you can see, the lights, same with the fog lights, same with 2.0 turbo, the sensors right there, same one. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and start from the left side. It's really beautiful. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn on the headlights and see what it looks like, because I haven't seen them on. This is beautiful color, guys. I might be getting this next, and I'm gonna turn on both the fog lights right there and the headlights, see how it looks. Wow, the door's closed heavy too. It's kind of heavy from before. Yeah, so that's the headlights right now. So I'm assuming the inner three lights are for high beam. Yeah, that's the fog lights. It's on, but it's just daylight right now, so you can't really see that bright. But it looks pretty nice. It's gorgeous, stunning. We'll go around it. Same wheels, of course, in the 1.5 as well. And I like the fact that mirror caps, they're black already. Sorry guys, it's windy, so you might get some wind noise in here. Stay with me. And then we got the sensor on this one too, I believe. I don't know what this is, but it might be a sensor. I'll double check. It has to be. Yeah, so the color is beautiful. Let me show you the back real quick. The back is full leather on this one. Yeah, so the back is full leather on this one, and in the back you have charging ports right here. Let me see what kind they are. USB. Yep, that's USB as well. And the funny thing is, on a 2.0, I'm gonna show you guys right now. This is full leather. So I'll go ahead from the front. It's full leather. Yeah, it's full leather. Keep continuing. And then the back. Yeah, this is a 1.5. That's how it looks. This is special edition. Emblem right there. So two exhaust tips right there. So same thing. Tail lights are the same. It's got a black rear spoiler on it, rather than the same color. Same on the same sides. So yeah, this side I'm gonna go in the back. Yep, full leather. And this side is spacious. And I'm gonna see on this side now. So as we come here, we got the, you know, the side mirrors. Of course, you can move them in your angle. Auto, they're all on auto except these two, I believe. Yeah, these are not automatic. These two are auto. The trunk, let's open the trunk. You got that. We'll see if the trunk is still the same space as the previous one. So yeah, this trunk is the same space. I feel like it's a bit longer, possibly. I don't know, but yeah, this is really nice. And that's the seat. It's motorized, so this is good. Both as well in the back. So we got motorized for the, I think, the lower back here, comfortable position. Yeah, so it's this one. The 1.5 also has paddle shifters right there. That's the lights I had that got auto on it, so I'm gonna keep it off now. Yeah, I don't know, that's the belt, I guess. It tells you how many belts are on and off. That's got new features in there. So you got the sport, and then you have auto on and off on the 1.5. I have to double check if you got auto on and off in the other one. This is really nice. This is a big upgrade, guys. So it's got auto on and off. The parking is the same, the e-brakes, just pull it up. Same thing with the brakes. And the key, yeah, you got remote start option as well on this one, 1.5. And you would have the same space here, but you don't have the wireless charging on this one, but you have two USB ports and a cigarette light port here. So we'll close it, and the seats, it does have heated seats. So there you have it, you know. Turn this one on and push the sync, so temperature change, of course. We got the rear and the side mirror too, I believe. And yeah, and I'll see if this is touchscreen as well. Yes, this is also touchscreen, so we're good to go on this one. And yeah, this is fully leather here. And let me see the 2.0. 2.0 is not full leather, right?
It's just leather bolsters.
Okay, so 2.0 has the leather, just the bolsters on the sides, and the middle part is not leather. So
They both
and
have
then-
heated seats.
yeah, got it. Yeah, I see that one. So yeah, make sure it's you guys. The 2.0 does have the heated seats as well. So same thing, just that has that as touchscreen, and the difference is that you have buttons here to change the gears in the 2.0, and the 1.5 you have the pretty much what you call that, the to gear. To change the gears, you have to do it by your hands. And it's right there, so it's different. Yeah, it's a traditional shift knob. There you go. Yeah, and they both have sport mode. This one has auto on and off, right? I mean,
Yeah.
auto off. And I
This one
believe,
does not.
and the 2.0 does not have the auto off button. This one's right there. The 2.0 don't have that. And yeah, so I'll go ahead and take a test drive and see how they both feel. This one is, yes, this is 1.5, still motorized. Leather steering, of course, everything's good. Remember, 1.5 don't have the wireless. Heated seats, same goes for the other one as well. And yeah, so the doors on the outside, when I was talking about earlier, those small spots right there, like 3 rigid lines on a door handle, they're for wireless like entry, and like you can lock and unlock your car when you're near it, of course. That's what that is. I just had to double make sure. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and drive this one, normal mode and sport mode. We'll just do a quick launch. And this one does have the auto on and off, so you'll see enabled and disabled right there. And we'll go ahead and drive it. So once I'm on the road, I'll make a video of launching. Alright guys, so I'm already here on the smooth road ahead, and this is it. Let me just floor it. Yeah, this is 192 horsepower. Yeah, I mean, mine is, of course, 2019, it's modified, so it does feel a bit slower since it's modified. And yeah, it's a 1.5 turbo. So for those, it's smooth just like the other one, but I just love the power in the 2.0. So I'm gonna turn around and go on sport mode. As the road is clear, I'll go ahead. Put on sport mode. There you go. Alright. It's nice. I like it. But yeah, same feeling as 2019 1.5 turbo one. Again, I'm really loving the 2.0. Yeah, so, and the color is beautiful, guys. I'm not gonna lie. So the brakes are really good, smooth. Yep. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribed. All notifications are on. And I'm glad I could make this video for you guys. I will let you know which dealership, honestly, is really friendly and will get you a good deal. I promise you that for sure. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be coming to this dealership to get my next car. So stay tuned, keep watching, and in a few I'll let you see the dealership. That's it, guys. They have this color in 2.0 as well, in case you guys want that. And that's about it. So this one's 192 horsepower, the 2.0 is 252 horsepower. And this is the person you guys gotta see if you want yours for a good deal. This is it, guys. Make sure you got it, and just mention Honda Mod sent me. You got a deal. I'm gonna come here in the future too. So thanks for watching the videos.